Hey guys, we're doing the player random now for break 10, case break 2. Random player, it's 1:29:13 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, we're going 3 times. Nice and quick. 1, 2, and 3. Copy. And the player draw. Going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it is complete. Mr. Coulson, Laurie, Albie, RJ Barrett, and Martel Fultz stretch with Porzingis, Albie, Kuzma, Leonardo with Ja Morant, Philip Tran, Michael Porter Jr., Aire with Donovan Mitchell and Ruai, Hayden with Anthony Davis, Kiwi with Jaren Jackson Jr., Stashman with Darren Fox, James Cannon with Devin Booker, Johnny Deegan, Jamal Murray, Sean Thon, Joel Embiid, Marcus Alot, PJ Washington, Nathan Alot, DeAndre Hunter, Bots, Kawhi Leonard, Martin Taylor, Pascal, Albie, Ben Simmons, Nick Powell, Tatum, Marcus Alot, Cat, Jason Aire, Luka, Leonardo, Tyler Hero, Glenn McCubbin, Zion, Johnny Deegan, Colin Sexton, Adam Bartley, Trae Young, Johnny Deegan, Giannis, Adam Carter, Jokic, Timothy Price, LeBron James, Sean Thong, Gilgeous Alexander, Albie Chin, Cam Reddish, George with Kobe White, Adam Carter, Bagley, Guy Bell, Lonzo Ball, and Albie with Brandon Ingram.